Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about local variable in Java. So what is a local variable? When we declare a variable inside a method, constructor or block, those variables are called local variable or temporary variable. So this is our test class. We have a method here which is main method. So if we declare a variable inside a method, constructor or any kind of block, like it can be a for loop, it can be a while loop, or it can be if statement or if else statement. So in any kind of block, if we declare a variable, that is considered as local variable. So this is a method, right? So inside a method, if we declare int x is equal to 45, so this is a local variable. It means we cannot access this variable outside of the method. Let's try to print this x. So this is another method which is a void method, but this is a main method. So we declared a variable inside the main method, but we are trying to access this variable outside of this method. So let's try. This is saying create local variable x. It means it does not know that there is already a variable called x inside main method. So the point is we cannot access a local variable outside of the method, constructor or any blocks. So let's see the next point. We must have to initialize local variable in order to use, otherwise we will get compile time error. Okay, if you just declare a local variable, not initialized, just declared, and try to use this variable, for example you just want to print this variable, then we will get compile time error. So let's try to print this. You see we are getting an error, and this is saying initialize variable. So we must have to initialize a local variable in order to use, but if we don't use it, then it's okay, we don't have any kind of error. So let's see the next point. Local variable will be stored inside stack memory. So this is just a theory. The scope of local variable is the block in which we declared. It means we cannot access a local variable outside of block. It can be a method, loop, or if statement. We already discussed this. So the scope of the variable, of the local variable, is inside only, inside of a method, block, or constructor only, not outside. We cannot access a local variable outside of the method, constructor, or any kind of block. Okay, the next point is for local variable, JVM will not provide any default values. We must have to perform initialization explicitly before using that variable. Okay, so whenever we are trying to print these, or we are trying to use this variable which is not initialized, we are getting compile time error. The reason is JVM does not provide default values for local variable, but if it is an instance variable, we could not get any compile time error because JVM provide default values for instance variable but not for local variable. That's why we are getting this compile time error. So I hope you guys understand all the points. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.